Today I'm going to teach you about the Team A sales process for master franchises in your area. The number one thing that we want to recognize is that, the customer is number one, okay? Customer is number one. Why is customer number one? Because customer is the one that's buying your product, okay? So what's secondary to customer? That would be the salesperson and your master franchise location. If all is taken care of with the customer, you're going to be a happy master franchiser. I think you all would agree. Number one in the sales process is to introduce yourself to the customer. Begin to build a shallow rapport with the customer, you know, just something that you can get in common, you like each other. And the second part of this is to qualify that customer. Now, it's very, very important that you not waste your customers' time. People are busy these days. They don't have time to go through canned presentations. So for that fact alone, it's very important that you qualify your customer to find out what are their hot buttons and determine the needs that they have. Once you've determined the needs that they have, you're going to be able to put together a presentation that they'll be interested in, and that's very, very important. One thing I always like to teach about this process is that when you intro and qualify well, then your customer feels a sense of reciprocity. What is reciprocity? Reciprocity is where your customer understands you've spent the time to get to know that customer and to understand what their needs are, and now it's time for you to go through and recommend products and services that would be beneficial to that customer. And so when they feel that you're actually spending adequate time, the correct time with the customer, understanding that they are busy people just as you are, but at the same time you're very interested in determining what type of needs that they have, they reciprocate. And so now it's time for the customer to go through and listen to your recommendations in your presentation so that you can put together an exceptional package that will work best for your customer. Now, number three, we've talked about a little bit, we're presenting, we're recommending products. Always recommend a couple of products. Recommend your best products first, so that way you're able to move them up in the inventory and build great value in your services before possibly having to move them down into a lesser program if they need a selection alternative where that customer just can't afford your higher end, highest value packages. So remember this, always present a package with great value. Don't present your smallest package or your least value package first. Present a good value package. Move them up into a higher package while they're considering all the options before deciding if they need to move down to a lesser package, such as maybe a basic package at a lower level. And then once you've actually determined the customer's needs and presented the right services and products, you're on the right service, let's move them into that close, okay? And the close is going to be very, very difficult for most if they're not practiced up, okay? I mean, for myself, I know hundreds and hundreds of different closes, and I'm able to use them at any time that I need to when I'm discussing moving a customer forward and coming in working with me in these programs, as you've likely noticed. So if you need some help with that, with the closing, there are additional videos that will be available. Give me a call. If you need anything with that, it's 517-323-1822. Call me up. I'll help you out with some closing. I'll help your staff out. So just remember that this Team A sales process here, it's very, very important for you to meet the needs of the customers, get this reciprocity here between qualifying and into the presentation, and close the deal.